Hi guys, thank you so much for watching today's a get ready with me video. I haven't filmed one of these in a long time, so I'm quite excited about it. In this video I'll be using some tried and true products that I love and also some new makeup products. So if you love get ready with me videos and you want me to do more on my channel, please let me know by liking this video and subscribing, and I'll gladly make more for you. So let's just get into the video. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, and this is the final look. So it's like a really bold eye and just a neutral lip. So let's just get into the video. Thank you. So the first thing I've done is cleansed my face and hydrated it like I normally do. I'll link those steps underneath if you're interested. And I'm just gonna put my hair up so that I can do my makeup a little bit easier. So I'm using this primer. It's the Lise Watier Base Miracle Primer. It's supposed to be good for giving a matte effect and a silky finish. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and paraben-free. And it also helps kind of fill in your pores. It's a pore minimizing primer. And this is just what it looks like. It's like one of those jelly ones. So I'll just put that on. So this is it here. And I'll just put that on all over my face. And I make sure to put it especially in the areas that I have more pores. So like around my nose. And I just have some fine lines on my forehead. So I want to put that there as well, just to kind of even out all my skin. And my skin's looking really puffy today, so don't mind me. I think it's just the time of the month type thing, or I had too much salt, one or the other. I love like salty foods, and I had guacamole and chips last night before bed, so I think that's why I'm so puffy today. But it was worth it. So that's the primer. That's how it looks. Cosmetics CC cream in the color Fair. I love this. You've seen it in many of my videos. I also have a video on it, like a review if you're interested. But I love this CC cream. It's pretty high coverage, probably like medium coverage, I would say. And it's super neutral tone. It has super neutral undertones, which I can really appreciate with my skin, because my skin has so many red undertones that I don't like. So I love neutral to cancel it out. And I'm just using my same Tarte brushes, bring it down my neck. So that is that, and then I'm just gonna contour a little bit with my BH Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit. I just feel when on those days that I'm feeling more bloated looking and puffy, I definitely need to do a cream contour. It's subtle because it's cream, but it still needs to be done because my skin is just looking, my face is looking very puffed up today. And my nose as well. And I just keep blending it in so it's really natural and subtle looking. And I always blend my concealer more into my nose than it actually my nose is, because it makes it appear thinner. So that's the final look. It just makes my face look a lot So that's the final look. It just makes my face look a lot slimmer. As you can see, the difference is crazy. All right, my eyelids with my favorite Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. It's just been something I've been using for years and it's never steered me wrong. It keeps on my eyeshadows, any liquid eyeshadows on. It's really helpful for that. So it's just a good base. And sometimes I put it under my eyes as well, just to prime for my concealer. I find it just helps my concealer last a bit longer. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this new Violet Voss Pro palette that I got at my Boxy Luxe. That video is coming for you guys too, but these are the colors. They're so pretty. So I'm just going to make a look with these. I'm going to put this matte brown shade first, just in the crease of my eyes. And I have to use a mirror for this. Sorry guys, I'm not that used to doing it on camera yet. For this light crystal color to do the outer brow bone. Ooh, this is pretty. Has a lot of shine to it. Now I'll put some on my inner eye. Just like this. This On Fleek kind of burgundy color. It's really shimmery, so I'm going to put it on with my finger. Wow, that's so pigmented. Like, whew. And I'm just blending it in with my finger. I find it easy to do this shimmery, really shimmery colors with your finger. You just blend in a lot more naturally. That's so pretty. It looks like a sunset on my eyes. Nice dark brown, like probably bat my eyes here. This one underneath, just to put some depth to my eye. Camera, I've just cleaned my under eye up a little bit with a micellar wipe, and then eyeliner, it's a drugstore one by L'Oreal and Fathomable, the Super Slim. I'll link it underneath. Princess Mascara, I have a video of me applying it. I'll link it underneath. It's an Age Rewind concealer. I've really been loving this again. I rediscovered it. It's in light pale is the color. It's really yellow. It's really gross because I used it so much, it's almost all out, and then I have the sponge off of it and everything, but it's again a neutral undertone, so I really like it for under my eyes. So I'm gonna mix this Bat My Eyes and Toffee. Actually, I'm gonna just go in with Toffee. I think that's probably better. This shimmery shade here for under. Yeah, like that better, I think, because the shimmer looks a little bit better under the eye. So that's my final eye look here. Same one I've used forever, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It's almost all used up. I need to get another one soon, but I just love this. In all the same spots that I've used my liquid contour before, I'll go in with the powder lactic one. And I just use the champagne shade. It's really wet, so it just gives a really wet highlight look, which I love. And I just blend that in with my fingers because it is wet. It's a very wet formula. And I always put my highlight up in an upward motion too, because I just find it helps to lift my face. And I just try to put it thinly on the tip of my nose too, and the top of my lip, but mostly on my cheekbones, just to lift my face up. Just like that. I didn't really do much with my brows, so I just put a little bit of clear brow gel, just by Anastasia, just to lift them a bit. I just find everything in an upward motion just seems to go better with my face. Like it lifts it up and makes it appear more youthful. And this is just Anastasia's clear brow gel. There's no color to it. And I find this is just easy when you're in a rush. This is what it looks like. And I'll have all the products linked underneath. I've used it so many times, the writings, I've used this so many times the writings come off, but it's in Rose Vintage. And then I'll link it underneath if you're interested. And it has a mirror on it. This is nice. Just like that. And then I want a little bit extra plump, so I'm going to put this Buxom one on top because it just gives a lot of plump. It's a very sheer color, but it's more so for plumping. So this is the final look. So it's kind of a bold, warm tone eye and neutral lip. This is my first time using this palette and I've really loved it. This is all the colors that they offer in it. It's really gorgeous. I love it. So my first impression of this palette is that I like it really a lot. I'll link everything underneath, but this is my final look. And if you guys love Get Ready With Me videos and you want more on my channel, please like this video so I know, and I'll gladly make more for you of different looks as well. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, and it was so great to see you again. Bye!